Hi, this is Dr. Shailinder Sodhi. Today we are going to talk about how to sterilize the air and purify the air. These days we are hearing about all the coronavirus and how it is spreading among the communities. So one of the the ancient techniques which we had used in the past was fumigation, natural fumigation with the herbs and raisins, the plant raisins, which were used in Ayurvedic medicine to sterilize the surgery rooms. In those days, we did not have all the chemicals, so the doctors or the Vaidyas, who are known as Ayurvedic physicians, use these resins to completely clean the air in the surgical rooms. So the herbs which they were using most commonly were the gum Guggal, which is also known as gum mira, and along with they also use the neem leaves, mustard seeds, camphor, boswellia raisins, which is also known as the frankincense, and your ghee. Ghee is a butter oil. So they will combine all these herbs and make it like a just a powder form, and burning some charcoals and pour this powder on it and causing a fumigation effect or the smoking effect, and taking this whole smoke around the room or the areas where the patient will be in. So the purpose of this was not only aromatizing the air, but also to get rid of the bacteria and viruses. Now we know that. But in those days, they call it the bad spirits, just to eliminate those, which will cause the sickness in the individual if the air was not purified. So as we do more analysis of these plant resins and all that, we find that every plant, majority of these plants which exist in the nature have their natural viral and bacterial fighting capacities. That's why they have these essential oils, and they have their own immune system, as we're learning from more and more from the plant biology. So, when we are smelling a plant, or when we see certain plants have very fetid smell, other plants have very aromatic smell, the reality is that's their immune system. That's how they keep the viruses and bacteria away. And same time, they are attracting other bugs to for the pollination also. But they also want to keep other bugs which can kill them away by providing these essential oil. They were able to do that. So this we learn from the plants. So same thing by burning the gum Guggal or the mira gum, neem leaves, mustard leaves, camphor, frankincense in a ghee on over the charcoal, you can achieve the same purifying effect. Look below, and here are the ingredients which I talked about. It's a gum Guggal, also known as a gum mira, frankincense, also known as Boswellia serrata in Latin name, neem leaves, mustard seeds, camphor, and butter oil, which is also known as a ghee. You just grind all these ingredients, mix it in the ghee, and by burning a charcoal, you can put all these ingredients on it to just cause the smoking effect or the fumigation effect. Thank you.